Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, then click all. Thanks! Hi everyone! Welcome back to my summer fruit series. It's now time to do the orange. So let's go ahead and get started. In this video, I used all gel polishes from Madam Glam, and I'm just going to let you have a look at all the beautiful colors that I used. The first thing I do is I take a fine buffer and I remove any shine that is on my nail. On my palette, I apply small droplets of the gel polish colors that I'm using, and on this palette, I will mix different colors as needed. And I also apply a no wipe top coat because I will be mixing some polishes with that. Now I will just let you watch the video and I will come back in to talk to you as needed. Okay, so I've drawn all this and I have not cured any of it yet, so now it's time to go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. You'll want to cure this for 30 seconds when you get finished. And if you notice these highlights that I'm doing here, I started with a darker color and then I made the orange a little bit lighter and then even lighter this time. Here I'm just creating some orange skin onto the white, And I am using a dot method, and I just use the 2 colors of orange to do this, and I flash cure each color 5 seconds. And now I'm top coating with a no wipe top coat, and in the next step I will be creating the juice from the orange. To create the juice, all I do is I mix a no wipe top coat with the lightest orange, which is Kiss on the Cheek, and I make it fairly light and clear. And then I'm just painting it on the nail in a drip fashion here. And then I will go ahead and go over it one more time, a second layer, just to give it more color, okay? Because it's pretty transparent in one layer. Then I will cure it for 1 minute. Now I come in with my no wipe top coat, and I'm going to build up the drip to give it a 3D look. So I'll probably build this up with 3 layers and curing each layer for 1 minute. And I like to use the no wipe top coat because there's no tacky layer. And that's what it looks like so far. You can see the 3D effect on the drip here. It looks really good. I'm satisfied with it. I do the same thing with these little water droplets. I'm using a no wipe top coat, and I rush it into the lamp so that I can flash cure it for 5 seconds. Bring it back out, add another droplet on, again put it back in the lamp for 5 seconds. Now the third drop, and then I put it back in the lamp for 1 minute for the full cure. And that is the finished orange. I think it looks very juicy and thirst quenching. I hope you liked it too. Be on the lookout for the next fruit to come up in my summer fruit series, which is going to be the watermelon. So be looking for that. Thank you so much for being here with me and for watching. I do appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.